Hey folks, it's the Brown Noser. I'm in Claudette Cain Park in Riverside South, near the Moody Family Cemetery and Vimy Memorial Bridge, for something different. In a couple of weeks, DW and I will be taking the kids on a vacation, and I'll be bringing my new DJI Neo drone. But first I need to practice using it with the RC-N3 controller, something I haven't had a chance to do over the winter months. But today was a great day for trying it out. There are things I need to tweak, like lowering the auto exposure and default sharpness levels, but I'll get the hang of it, I hope. For now, I just wanted to try the Neo without crashing it into trees or plunging it into the Rideau River. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it the old thumbs up. Subscribe to see our next adventure. Until next time, this is the Brown Noser.